The power of MindManager, primarily mind maps, is you can capture ideas as they come to you. My name is Marian Kocmanek. I'm a senior product manager for MindManager, primarily focusing on our Windows products and Mac. I have so many features I love in MindManager, but I have to say my favorites are our project management capabilities, task management, and resource management. I use MindManager for many things. I use it for lists when I plan vacations. What are the essential items to pack? What are the essential items that I would need, for various durations of my stay? But I mostly use MindManager to organize my various projects at home. Most recently this summer, I completed some additions to my house. I built a new shed in my garage. I tracked everything from the overall timeline of the project, the cost of materials I need to complete the project, and what I was paying in labor. Using our task roll-up, our cost roll-up, gave me a good idea of what is the total cost of the project so I can go ahead and fund it, and of course pay my contractor. So why should you use MindManager? I mean, growing up, we're used to using linear documents. Your Word documents, Excel, everything has to be in a certain structure as you're capturing those thoughts, or otherwise you have a lot of unorganized ideas in a linear document. The power of MindManager, primarily mind maps, is you can capture ideas as they come to you. Whether you're doing research, whether you're getting input from team members, getting notes, you can simply add those items to a map and you can later organize them later to make them make sense. So myself, in my product management role, for example, I get a lot of information and input from various sources, whether it's emails, our customer community, chats with fellow coworkers, phone calls, you name it. I have so much information coming at me from every which way. And if I capture all that in a mind map, I can later drag and drop the nodes and put them in a structure that makes sense, which helps me become more efficient and make sense of all the information. We have a history of integrating with products that users use in their daily lives or become their corporate standards. So for a long time, MindManager has been the de facto integration with Microsoft Office applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. And as the workforce changes and tools changes, then I started thinking about what will MindManager integrate with in the future. Whether it's artificial intelligence, whether it's machine learning, whether it's certain brands even under our corporate umbrella, Aludo. So will MindManager integrate with WinZip or CorelDRAW or other applications? All various things that's in my mind, and only the future will tell what becomes a reality.